So here I wanted to show you the business. This building here, this is for sale, and this building, you see they have all windows new. They just need the roof clean, nothing more. And looking in the centrum, it's in the centrum. And this is amazing place. Here when we go, you have golf club. Hey, Halmstad Golf Club. Now we go to the beach. Check this out. La playa, parking playa. Yeah, man. Sí, señor. Vamos para allá. Vamos a la playa. When you check, do diligence inside the house, outside the house, in the city, how it looks like, restaurants, people. There we have beach. Go there. Here we go. We go check. Look how it looks like. I like it, Halmstad. Amazing. I love it. Check this out. You see this this building here? So this is building. So from Centrum de la Playa, the beach in Halmstad. So this place, this torre, this building there in the Centrum, the Halmstad. This is like from inside the stairs. It's all painting. It's new door, metal with wood. This is inside. Renew it. New window, new kitchen. Check this out, guys. Check this out, everyone. The new kitchen. Amazing kitchen. I was inside. In all the apartments, it's same kitchen, new bathroom. New tires, all new installation, hot cold water outside. So if it's something leaking, it's go to special. Is you have a shower here, and this you have fall. You have like this level, and all water if it's leaking go to a shower. So you never go out water out. Every time it's water for sacred water. Safety. And here you have kitchen with with like open loft, This is bathroom. This is downstairs in the basement. You have all doors open for inside, go inside, and washing room with some special brick, like tag. So it's connected. You program, you take it your time when you want it to washing your clothes. And also for open the door, you have tag, digital key. So it's modern. And now we have this beach. Not appropriate shoes for the playa, pero vamos. If I need to take off shoes, I'm gonna take off shoes. Doesn't matter. They're very important. Enjoy. Do your job. Enjoy. Do diligence. And we must to check everything. And it's like 12 kilometers from here. So it's not with car. It's 20 minutes from the Centrum Halmstad, when this was this building, to here to this parking place, go to beach. So it's not so far away. You see, coming from there. Check, look what we have there. La playa, vamos a la playa. Amazing. Oh, it's awesome, guys. Check this out. I'm feeling electric tonight. University here also. There's a lot of people here. Amazing. A lot of movement. And very important in the centrum. Amazing. Amazing. Nobody built here. It's in the centrum. So now for build here, it's same area. It's gonna cost triple. Amazing. And we're gonna check, look, if this make it sense, the deal. Who choice? So we hope so. This building we can buy it together. So that's what reason I make it this fund, so people can invest in my fund, be passive investor for long term, so we can buy this building with incomes produced. So it's almost done. We need to just buy it, hold it, and enjoy the cash flow. Wait, later refinance or maybe sell it when we get 150% from us investment over the us money. So then we can sell it. Then I sell it. If not, we wait. Because of with time, we have appreciation. We can wait. We still pay from us. We still pay. And when it's time, I refinance or sell it for 1.5 or 2 times or 3 times more money. Make your money 100%, 50 over, 150 more, and we jump in another one. And this is what this is about. Amazing place, amazing Halmstad. Subscribe, share. I hope so you can invest with me in this kind of purchases, this kind of buildings what I buy. See you.